Today we have an interesting confluence of aspects. First of all, Mars just recently went into Leo and is opposing Pluto. But Mars is also making a sextile to the Sun. At the same time, the Sun is making a trine to Pluto. So we sort of have a little right triangle set up between these planets. Well, what could this mean for us? Number one, the Sun is hot and dry. Mars is hot and dry. We oftentimes see heat waves and wildfires, unfortunately, when Mars goes into Leo. So these conditions will be exacerbated. Plus, when Pluto's opposite Mars, we see tensions sort of reach a crescendo or a climax. Oppositions are probably the most difficult aspect. They're in the nature of Saturn and represent a struggle for supremacy between two planets. Well, what's the Sun? The Sun is authority. The Sun is justice. And the Sun is also rulership and control. But Pluto is also control. He's will, he's power, he's the subterranean things. He's value and wealth and hoarding, obsession and trauma. Mars is aggressive. Mars cannot take to being controlled. And that's what Pluto tries to do. Mars responds pretty violently. And so we do often see acts of violence in society. We see developments in war, and we'll see increased illnesses. So be careful with all that stuff, but that's more on the macro level, having to do with countries and groups and all that. For you, watch your mouth, okay? Well, it's hard to watch your mouth without a mirror, right? But we will have a tendency to say things that we wish we could take back later. Our sense of assertiveness is on high. Our sense of personal entitlement is elevated. So please, remember that you don't want to start quarrels with people. You can see where you'll be tending to start quarrels by the house placement. For example, the 5th house would be with your children. The 4th house would be with your parents. The 10th house would be with your bosses. So beware of what's going on in your own chart. And please, pick your battles. Be careful. Watch your commutes. Slow down. Remember, when it comes to road rage, you never know if the people in the other car are crazier than you. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. And please, 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 have a wonderful whatever you're having. I love you.